Hello everyone. Many of you may be already knowing about SMA at least by now. SMA, which is spinal muscular atrophy, it is a genetic disease that affects the central nervous system, and it is reported to be very rare occurrence, maybe like one in many thousand births. But in recent times, I don't know, I have come to know about certain cases from different parts of the country, and being a native of Kerala, I came to know about at least three recent cases. And why this SMA is becoming a talking point at the moment is the only available treatment for this, which is very costly. Actually, the only available treatment right now, it is a single dose of a medicine that has to be imported from the US, and it cost nearly 18 crores. Imagine one single dose. That medicine name is Solognesma. Please excuse me if the pronunciation is not right. Uh, that medicine, a single dose, because that is the only treatment that is currently available, and that dose is so costly. For a common man, this cost is not very affordable, or it is kind of very unimaginable and very difficult to actually acquire that. But thanks to people who are using their social media platforms, fundraising is a great option, and it has been successful also, because recently I came to know about a case where fundraising was possible within just 6 days for one baby. But after that, or actually while those case was getting tackled, two more cases I came to know. uh, and as far as I know, I came to know that like one of them, only about 1 crore has got ready, and the other it is only about 3 to 4 crores. So just imagine, uh, it's not possible for the families of those babies to actually make those funds alone. But YouTubers and Instagrammers, or anyone who uses their social media platforms to actually convey this message to as many people as possible, maybe that can actually help that family in getting the funds for saving their child. For example, imagine, no, not for example, I can say, I don't know how to say it. Like we say it, right? Many drops can make an ocean. So, those who want to help, please do contribute. I'll try to fit in the details for that on the screen, or in the description or the caption, or like where I'll be uploading this video. So please contribute and help. I know this is a very difficult time we are going through, and in this pandemic, many of you may have lost jobs. So it may not be possible for anybody to contribute any very huge amounts. So as I said earlier, many drops can make an ocean. Maybe you may be contributing maybe as little as 10 rupee, 1 rupee, 100 rupee. But imagine so many lakhs and thousands of people when if they contribute like that. Imagine, that can save a child's life. So let's all come together for this. uh, okay, so that's it. I hope my intention is conveyed. Now, why I'm saying intention, because some people, I don't know, because I have been going through certain videos, or certain messages of these type, and when I look at the comments that are coming below, of course most of the comments and the feedback are pretty positive, for those people who have used their platforms positively. But along with those positive feedback, there are many people who are trying to kind of pull them down by saying very nasty things, like you're doing this kind of charity kind of thing only to to increase your fan following, or to increase your subscriber count and all that. That is very nasty, because right now we have to think on human terms. If I talk about myself, I have only started. I am a very new user in Instagram, and even my channel also, it is just an year, and it is still a very slow growing channel. So I was like kind of hesitant in the beginning, Like if I put a video or if I try to do something, will it reach as it is supposed to reach? Because see, this 18 crore is not a very small amount, it is a very big amount that we have to kind of crowdsource or fund, we have to build up. So it is only when this when these messages reach the maximum, some fund sourcing will be possible. So I was kind of hesitant. So what I used to do was I used to share in my Insta stories or my WhatsApp status, the links of people who have already done this, or who the video links or something. But then, like somewhere inside me, I thought, okay, let's forget about how many people will be seeing. For example, if at least 10 people watch this video, and even if one person contribute, I will consider myself very, you know, fortunate and blessed to have got myself involved in something noble. So, in these difficult times, let's all kind of help each other. That's it.